On December 12, 2023, the first track of the East Coast Railway, a large-scale railway project in Malaysia undertaken by China Communications Construction Corporation, has been laid. The installation of the first track will involve a 90-kilometer route. It is expected to be completed within 3 to 4 months. As of the end of November this year, the overall construction progress of the project has been completed by 56.3%. The full line is expected to be completed by the end of December 2026. The track laying machine is expected to lay approximately 1.5 kilometers of track per day. The materials used to initiate the installation process, including internal combustion locomotives manufactured by Kirkjiang in China, they are all transported to Malaysia by cargo ships docked at Kuantan Port in Malaysia. Malaysia's East Coast Railway is a major infrastructure project under the Belt and Road Initiative. The total length of this line is 665 kilometers. It is expected to cost $12 billion. The project is mainly funded by a 20-year term loan provided by the Export-Import Bank. The interest rate is 3.25%, and there is a 7-year deferred repayment period. About 2,785 subcontractors, including transportation construction in China, with the assistance of project consultants and suppliers. 74% of the participants are local Malaysian companies. The railway will connect Kota Baru in northeastern Malaysia near the Thai border with Port Klang in southwestern Malaysia. This project provides double tracks, standard gauge railway lines. There are 20 stations along the way. Among them, there are 14 passenger stations, 5 passenger and freight combined stations, 1 freight station. About 23,000 workers are needed during the peak construction period. Infrastructure includes branch lines, tunnel, bridges, viaduct, garage, stations, and signal systems. According to the initial plan, the intercity passenger trains will use 11 sets of 6-sided CJ6 type high-speed trains. At a speed of 160 km per hour, each group can accommodate up to 440 passengers. These high-speed trains will be more environmentally friendly than other high-speed trains. The generated noise is also less. The railway will shorten the travel time from Kuantan to Kuala Lumpur to 1 hour and 30 minutes. The travel time on the highway is 3 hours. Freight trains use electric locomotives, composed of 18 locomotives, including container cars and convertible cars, running at a speed of 80 km per hour. Meanwhile, for international freight services from China to Europe via Malaysia, the original route is expected to help reduce transportation time by up to 30 hours. The Malaysia East Coast Railway will be jointly operated and maintained by a joint venture between Malaysia Railways Limited and China Communications Construction Corporation. It is expected that within the first 5 years of operation, it will generate 5 million passenger trips annually and a freight volume of 26 million tons. The East Coast Railway connects 4 underdeveloped regions. It will have a clustering effect. It can increase employment opportunities and, as an economic center, stimulate economic growth. Once the railway project is completed, the transportation in the northeast and southwest of Malaysia will be more convenient.